Okay, so we got our July Love with Food box, and I'm going to unbox it while we're in the car. If I can get the camera straight. Okay. See? Okay, so we got this little pamphlet thing. Surfing USA. Okay, we got Kids Organic Choose Sour Citrus Flavor. It's honey stinger. We got some coconut almond curry with coconuts, almonds, and cashews. That way. And then we got a Glee Gum sucker or something. It looks like a sucker. And then we got some coconut chips. You're dying, aren't you?
It sounds really good so far. I like all things coconut.
It looks like we got some different kind of looks like we got some different kind of, I don't know what the heck it is, but we got grapefruit and orange and lime and lemon.
I think it's powder to put in your water to flavor your water.
Probably that stuff. Yeah. Oh, I've seen these before. And it's cold. And then this is like a one of those squeeze things. It's kind of like an applesauce. It looks like an applesauce, but this is a Nothing Beats Cherry Organic Fruit Snack. So that'll be good, maybe. And then
Why that doesn't have a label on it? That's weird.
Yeah.
It looks like a biscotti,
Yeah.
but there's no label.
And then we got some one potato, two potato. And we got some potato chips. And it's Hawaiian barbecue.
Yummy.
And then at the bottom, we always get some little stuff like this. These are for the gum pops.
Like
The sucker
coupons.
things. Yeah. And then this was for the honey stinger things. And this is for Lean Cuisine. It's a coupon for that kind of food. And then, oh, this is for the stuff that you put in the water. Yeah, okay. So this will all be interesting to try. Now I need to fit it back in the box. See you later.